Hey, how's everybody doing? Frugal Fixer here. I'm in the shop, all in the sim, all the same place. Just hanging out here and kind of resting a little bit. Y'all might notice a new addition on my old foot here. I dropped one of them drawer slides on my foot from about this high and broke a bone in my foot. And that would be bad, except Thursday I had a colonostomy and they had to do surgery. So I'm kind of getting over that too. So yeah, it's been a rough week. But yeah, if you need something, put in an order. I'll get it out. I got stuff built and ready. All just got to be the label put on it. And my wife can do that every day. I'm just going to try to take care of myself and hurting myself. Okay. I think I'm going to go fly the drone and I'm sit on the back porch with my foot up, fly that with my goggles on. If you want to see the drone stuff, go over to Frugal Fixer FPV. And that's where all the drone equipment's going to be. And if we're going to play golf, we're going to be doing that Spike's Blue Collar Golf. That's going to be right in here, and we're going to have the square golf and all that in here. And then we're going to have the Frugal Fixer Spike channel, and that's where I do all my fixing. That's where I do my building stuff, making stuff, projects, just whatever. And I try to give out little tips about things along the way in just fixing the world, because some people need to fix stuff. So yeah, there's all three channels, and I got content on all, and I'm fixing to start editing and get caught up. And so there'll be stuff posting all over the place on those. So y'all come by and visit, see what's there. I'm probably a couple of weeks at least in this boot, so we figure out what's going to happen. But this here's got to heal, and it's working on it. I'm better. It's not as bad. So, yep. They went in to look around, and they didn't even wake me up. They just took me upstairs. Yeah. My wife said, I just signed a paper. And I said, well, that's what I'd want you to do. If you trust your wife that much, that's what you should do. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Y'all hear that? Oh, y'all can't hear it. I can. I got the earbud in and I can hear the golf course behind me and the birds are chirping, making me want to hit a golf ball bad. And I don't think that's a good idea with this one-legged move here. I ain't hit one that way, but I don't think I will. I think I might not have. I might not be able to help myself. Um, just one. Yeah, just one. Oh, come on. We won't tell. Okay. Okay, guys. I ain't gonna be able to hit many of these, but I gotta at least try. Yeah, it's about as good as I'm gonna get on one foot, dudes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be down for the golfing for a little while, but I'll be flying around on the drone and editing and getting all my videos out. So y'all come by the channels and check it all out. Come by the groups and see what's going on, and let's try to keep everybody moving and going. Y'all enjoy your games. I got one right now coming out with all the new settings and how it all works on the square, so we can share it with new people because most of y'all's already learned it, but I hadn't got it done yet. It's supposed to be out a week ago. The projector video, it's in there too. I'll get it out this week, I hope. And we'll see. Be good, guys. Later. There you go.